I saw somebody struggling to get this data tag here to pick up the material from a window. So let's just see how I did it. So let's have a look. This is the material here. It's a style, so let's edit the style and the tag layout. Now it's all got to do with this material here, this one. This is a data tag and it's looking for information. Now I understand this, it's looking for a material note, but the issue is that this is actually a window. So what we need to do is we need to look for a window. So let's look for objects in this document. Let's look for a window. Now the parameter I'm looking for is to do with the frame. Let's have a look. Frame material. There's the jam here. So I'm going to pick up the jam material. So let's go up here, and what we're going to do is we're going to replace the one that's already there. But what I'd like to know is that this is the frame. So I'm going to write the word frame, colon, and then a space. And so what it should do is then go to the window, find the material, write the word frame, and then give them the material for the jam. So let's edit the tag layout again, because what I'd like to do is I'd like to make two. I'd like to look for the jam, but I'd also like to look for the sash. So let's just duplicate that down. Let's edit the tag field again. This time I'm going to look for the sash. Sash, and here I'm going to remove that. So now what we're looking for is the sash, and it is sash. I thought I saw sash material. Sash material, there we are. Let's add that to our definition. Let's OK that. Let's exit. So now we've got wood beech for the frame, the frame going around, or the jam, and we've got the sashes wood, bamboo. So I just think that's kind of cool that we can do that with those objects. If you understand what the material is looking for, I think this is straightforward. Not easy, but it's straightforward. So the idea is we need to make sure we're looking for the right object. This was a window that we were looking for. Then we have to pick the right part of that window. So let's go over that again. So it's edit my style, edit my layout. So here we're looking for the sash material. So first of all, we're making sure that we're looking for an object parameter, we're looking for a window, and then the sash material. Now we could, if we want to, look for other information to do with this window. So we could have things like the sill, the sill class, the ID tag we could look for. So we can look for any of this data that is attached to my window. And there is a lot that we could report. The hinge marker, the height, the ID label, and so on. Now if we want the ID label, what we need to do is to create another little bit of information. So let's copy that one up. We're going to look for the ID label. We're going to define this again. So here we're going to look for the ID marker first. So that's the ID prefix first. So we're going to go here and go window ID. Let's spell that correctly. Window ID. Then a couple of spaces. So what are we looking for? The prefix. Let's add that to our definition. And then we want a space, and then we want the ID label. So it should give us the W and then 01 afterwards. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to add that to my definition. Let's go OK. Let's exit my tag. And you can see here I've got now got my window ID W01, and it's reporting the material as well. So as I said, it's not easy, but I think it's straightforward once you understand the concept that this data tag is reporting information from the window. So you've got to look for the window and then tell it what information you want from the window. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that. A little bit more complex tonight, but thank you very much for watching.